Hello. Good morning, everyone. My love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to study how to write equations using different forms of a line. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, so we have forms of line here. First, we're going to study slope-intercept form, or y by itself. This is the formula. Y is equals to mx plus b. Example, if your m is 2 and your b is 5, your equation would be y is equals to 2x plus 5. Now, if we have standard form, okay, so we have ax plus by equals c. Example, your A is 2, B is 5, and C is 7. Then you have the standard form as 2x plus 5y equals 7. All right? Now we have the point slope form. So for point slope form, we have this formula y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x sub 1. Find the equation of line through the points. Okay, we have this point -5 and 7 and 4 and 16. So this will be our x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Now, in order for you, no, para magawa mo ito, para magawin mo siyang equation, you need to find the slope first. So, since given yung dalawang points, we can find that one. Okay. So, in this form, so our formula for getting the slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, our y sub 2 is 16. Okay? So, this is the y sub 2, y sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 1. Okay. So, we have 16 minus 7 over 4 minus -5. So, 16 minus 7 is 9. Then 4, negative times negative positive, that means you add, no? So 4 plus 5 equals 9. So, and then divide, 9 divided by 9 is 1. So our slope here is 1. Okay. Now let us substitute. Since our slope is 1, okay, we have now y minus 4, okay, so y sub 1 is 4, equals 1 times x minus uh, times -5. So we have here y minus 4 since x times 1 is x. And then we have here negative times negative is positive times 1. That's x plus 5. Then we combine, no? So that will be negative x plus y equals y plus 4 or 5 plus 4. Therefore, the point slope form or the equation here is negative say x plus y equals 9. Now, to make it positive, no, so kung gagawin natin siyang slope intercept form, that would be, or yeah, y is equals to x plus 9. But anyway, if your answer is this one, which is the standard, it's already correct. Okay, now let's have this one. Write the slope point or the point slope form of the equation for a line that passes through -2, 0 with a slope of 3/4. Okay. Now, our x of 1 here is 0, so y minus 0 equals 3 halves, or x negative times negative, that's positive. So at first, malilito ka. So y is equals to, so since 0 siya, okay, that would be 0, nothing, no? So 1, so 3 over 2 x, and then we got 3 times 2, kasi ito positive na yan. So it's like a plus 2, no? Yan, like that. But eventually, you need to multiply. That's 3 halves x plus 6 over 2. Why? Because 3 times 2, that's 6, divided by 2. So the final answer is 3 halves x plus 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is the final answer. Okay, next. Now write an equation in a slope-intercept form if we have y minus 7 equals negative 2/3 x plus 3. So first, we have to write this down. Or we can combine, no? Minus, lipat natin to. That would be positive 2/3 x. Oh, wait. Let's do it first. Okay, so y minus 7 equals negative 2/3 x minus 2 times 3 is 6 over 3. Okay, so that's negative. So y minus 7 equals negative 2/3 x minus 2. Then, combine natin, lipat natin dito. That would be 2/3 x plus y equals negative 2 plus 7. Therefore, your final answer would be 2/3 x plus y equals 5. Now, this is now your final answer in a standard equation, no? On the standard equation. Standard form of the equation. So, tama yan, okay? Next. Another, write an equation in standard form. Okay, so it's usually we do the equation in standard form. So let's try this one. Y plus 3 equals negative 4 times 6, that's negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 2, that's positive 8. Okay, so we have 4x. Lipat natin to, that will become positive. Okay, pag nag-transposition tayo, guys, pag nilipat mo yung uh, isang variable sa kabila, magpapalit po ng sign. So like this one, 8. Lipat natin yung positive 3, that will become negative 3. So 4x plus y equals 5. Now, this is now your equation in standard form. All right, next. Let's have another. This one also. Okay, so y minus 3 equals negative 3/4 x minus 7 times or 3 times 7 equals 21. 21 over 4. Okay, so if we're going to solve that, okay, so that will become 3/4 x 3/4 x plus y equals negative 21 over 4 plus 3. Now look at this. They have both sides with 4. Okay, so we multiply this by 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 is 1. So that will become 3x plus 4y. Okay, but naging 4y. 4 times y, that's 4y equals 4 divided by 4, that's 1. So that will become 21 plus 12. Now, we need to subtract 21 minus or negative 21 plus positive 12. So ito, sa addition of integers, if the two numbers have different signs, you need to subtract. Okay, so we have here, this will become 11. 11 minus 2, that's 9. And this will become 1. So then we copy the sign of the larger number. So that will become negative 9. So therefore, the final answer in standard form is 3x plus 4y equals negative 9. That's it. Okay, next, let's have another. Okay, so let us continue. We have here, find the equation of the line passing through negative 3 and negative 1 with a slope negative 2/3. Okay, so we will write it in a point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 or x of 1. So y minus negative 1 equals negative 2/3 times x minus negative 3. So y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 x minus 6/3, or that is equals to y plus 1 equals negative 2/3 x minus 2. So if we are going to write that in slope-intercept form, that's y is equals to negative 2/3 x minus 2 minus 1, or y is equals to negative 2/3 x minus 3. Now, in standard form, that will become 2/3 x plus y equals negative 3. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. I hope you understand now. Bye.